Well, it's that time again. We're going to check out the progress on the RX7. And they have done some things. First of all, thing I noticed is this line on the tailgate, or not tailgate, lift gate here. Remember last time we looked at this was a little bit off, a little bit larger on the other side, but they've obviously corrected that. They've done some more work, a little bit more pulling to be done on this side, through here, up in this area, and through here. But they've pulled out through here, so there has been work done on it. He tells me it'll be done this week, so I may come back in between the end of this week, and this is Monday. I might come back Wednesday and see what else has been done, just to show some of the progress and what they do. The other things that we got to concern ourselves with, got a little bit of road rash on the wheels. It's real finite on this side, and that probably can be polished out with a wheel company. There's a little bit right here too that we can get taken care of. No damage on the side of the car over here, just happened to just scratch it. I mean, it must have just been a whisper of a move on that wheel. So anyway, it's shaping it up. Oh, cool. So all of this is just lined up for the bumpers.
Yeah, all the welding is done now. All the gaps are closed off and everything.
Oh, yeah.
But now we'll just do fit the bumper, fit the light to make sure we get the lines for the bodywork, and then it's going into paint when it gets this part repaired. This is minor, but this is the stuff we need to do. Okay. So hence we need the clips and the.
Yeah, I didn't notice those 3 clips were broken off, like these where the taillights go in. Right here, I hadn't noticed that. I assume they're available, right? I guess.
Yeah, no, they should be. Hopefully, there shouldn't be an issue.
And like I said, here are the brackets.
Yep.
Bumper brackets that I got. I was really surprised those were available, but there they are.
Yep. So as you can see on the red one where they did that repair though.
But this is just too harsh right here, and it's not lining up to the body.
Right, it's not lining up. So if you look at this bracket is twisted. This coming this way. This is going that way. This one's completely the other way as well.
Okay.
So they're all 3 different directions. The bracket's mangled. And then the repair they've done, this is just, I mean, it's nowhere near the bumper where it should be.
Okay, and fair enough. I mean, it was a good swing. I mean,
nice try. Yeah,
nice try. That's cool with me, and it really wasn't like an arm and a leg to do. So I'm glad I was able to pick up with this, even though it's like you said, we'll just have to get that nick. I see in the light right now. I see it.
The wave,
right?
The damage.
Yeah, the wave right there.
I think it's there, and if not,
right here, I can see something right there too. Right. Yeah. So.
And it's show me that real quick. And Fernando's telling me it's got a little break in it as well.
Oh yeah, I noticed that too on the clips.
So see, obviously they've put some sort of bonding or glue or something whatever it was on, but we'll get that solidified. So.
Cool. Yeah, no worries. So I mean, quite honestly, trying to find one of these was pretty hard. So I was glad that we had options. Quite honestly. Well, great. It's coming along. It looks great.
Fine. Yeah. Like I said, this is just to get everything lined up so we know where the bodywork needs to be. But all the gaps and everything are all shut off. And like I said, all the spot welds are done there. They'll do all that stuff right there. But there's, again, corrosive primer on there so it doesn't rust. Not that we have too much humidity right now, but it is.
No, I hear you.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Looking good. Hope everything's going with you. Happy holidays.
You too. Best of Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year.
Same. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll say goodbye to these people. And well, there's the car. You guys keep on keeping on. Catch you later.